Welcome to iHunter.
Jake Paul challenged not only me, but all of the Jake Paulers to go into their school and write fanjoy.co/Jake Paul on the chalkboards in their school.
In a challenge right now though, give me the chalk, okay. This is called the chalkboard challenge. Here's what you guys are gonna do at home. You guys, Jake Paulers, you're gonna go to your school and you're gonna write fanjoy.co/Jake Paul. You're gonna write that on your guys' whiteboards or chalkboards.
I wanted to take it up a slight notch and try to write it on every single chalkboard in my school, and I mean I failed. Some teachers were like, no. But I did it on most of them, and it's content, so here we go. I was waiting to get on. I never saw you get on. I was on. You don't. I did my final. I declare.
Extras. Well, they already left. They're not really extras.
Yes, let's go. Oh, what field?
Fanjoy.com/Jake Paul.